You got 7 healthy ones. We got 5 girls, 2 boys. I don't know which one of the boys. I know Big Dog right here on the end is a boy. Bunch of little savages. I try to tell her don't get her ass in the cage. I just let the kids play.
You told her to get in.
Yeah. Because I wanted her to do what she's supposed to do. Now she don't even want to do it. Early morning cleaning. And they hard to contain. You pop them out, they get to nibbling on your back and shit. Escape artists. Royal Rumble. You coming out? Everybody just piling up.